wait is over. The legend returns in a brand new avatar. Meet the 2025 Nissan GT-R R37, speed, power, and technology like never before. Is this the ultimate supercar of the future? Let's find out. For decades, the Nissan GT-R has dominated the streets and tracks, earning the nickname Godzilla. Now, the R37 takes that legacy forward with a striking new design, cutting-edge aerodynamics, and a powertrain that will blow your mind. The 2025 GT-R R37 gets an ultra-modern redesign, with sharper lines, an aggressive front grille, and an aerodynamic rear spoiler. The lightweight carbon fiber body not only enhances speed, but also improves handling. Nissan has truly crafted a masterpiece. Now, let's talk power. Under the hood, the R37 packs a 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6 hybrid powertrain, producing a jaw-dropping 750 horsepower. With an advanced all-wheel drive system and a lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, this beast rockets from 0 to 60 M50 in just 2.5 seconds. Step inside, and you'll find a futuristic cabin with premium Alcantara leather, a fully digital driver display, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system. The 2025 GT-R R37 also features Nissan's latest AI-assisted driving tech, making it smarter and more responsive than ever before. But how does it feel on the road? Thanks to advanced adaptive suspension and rear-wheel steering, the Rear 37 delivers razor-sharp handling and an exhilarating driving experience. Whether on the track or city streets, this GT-R is built for pure adrenaline. So, how much will the 2025 Nissan GT-R R37 cost? Reports suggest a starting price of around $150,000. Making it an incredible value for supercar performance. Nissan plans to release it globally by late 2025, and pre-orders are expected to sell out fast. The 2025 Nissan GT-R R37 is not just a car, it's a statement, a fusion of power, performance, and cutting-edge technology that takes the GT-R legacy to new heights. What do you think about the new R37? Is it the best GT-R yet? Let us know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more epic car content on Auto World.